Good morning children, this is Sumalatha, Maths teacher of KAKATIYA Public School. Today we are continuing this topic, subtractions with borrowing. Story problems we are doing children today. See this problem. There are 57 desks and chairs. Desk and chair together have 57. 19 are desks. So the remaining will be the chairs only, my children. So we need to find how many chairs. Nothing but remaining number you need to find. Remaining number when you are finding here, what you need to do here? Subtraction here. How to do subtraction here? Come on, first we will take the desk and chairs together number. Okay, here we are writing desks and chairs. So how many we have desks and chairs together here? 57. And in the desk and chairs, 19 are desks. So desk number is 19. Write in order, children. Okay, 19 desks are there. So the remaining number, how you can find here? By doing minus. So the remaining are chairs only, the children. So you can write here number of chairs are only chairs. Come on, let's do the subtraction here. Before doing that, already you know children, ones and tens places we are arranging. Now we are subtracting ones column, children. Okay. Now can you subtract from 7 to 9 here? Is it possible? No. Why? Because 7 is smaller than the 9. It is not possible. Then what you need to do here? You need to take the borrow from before place. Okay. So when I am taking the borrow from before place, the tens digit will become 4, children. 5. Before number is 4, no? And ones digit will become. From here to here, borrow I am giving means 10 numbers I am giving borrow, children. Why? Because 1 tens is equals to 10 ones. So 1 number I am giving to 10 ones means 10 numbers indirectly giving. 10 numbers and existing 7, it will be 17. Now it will be 17 and it will be 4. Now I need to subtract from 17 to 9. Okay. Or else I can move from 9 to 17 also. It is better to move from 9 to 17, children. Okay. So 9 after you need to count till you get the 17. Okay. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many are there we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 here. So 8. Next, coming to tens column here. So I can subtract from 4 to 1 or else I can move from 1 to 4. When I am moving from 1, same both are, if you do it 2 ways also you will get the same answer, children. Now see, let's do the 4 I opened. See, 4 I opened, 1 I closed. 3 I got answer, no? See, check. If I am moving from 1 to 4 also I get 3 only. Observe here. 1 after 2. 3, 4. Till I get the 4 I counted. So how many I opened here? 3. So here 3. Means how many chairs are there here? 38 chairs are there and desks are 19. Together will be 57. Let's do the next problem, children. Here there are 756 students in a school. This many students are there in a school here. 369 students walk to school. Means 369 students are coming by walk, children. The other come by bus. Means the remaining students are coming by bus. So what we need to do in this problem? How many come by bus? Means the remaining number we are finding now here. Total 756 students are there. From that 756, 369 children are coming by walk. It means the remaining other students are coming by bus now here. So remaining number when you are finding, you need to subtract children. Okay, come on, let's solve this by the steps and subtraction by doing the subtractions. Total students. Total students. How many are there, children? Total students 756. Okay, and how many are coming by walk? Students come by walk. So how many are coming by walk here? 369. So the other coming by bus, no children? The other nothing but remaining students. So let's find the subtraction to get the other students who are coming by bus. Students come by bus. So how many are coming by bus? Let's find here. First, before that you need to write the places on it. Ones, tens, hundreds. Come on, let's simplify the ones column. 6 minus 9 children. 6 minus 9. Is it possible here from 6 to 9 subtraction? No. Why? Because 6 is smaller than the 9 children. So we need to take the borrow from tens digit, nothing but from 5. If I am taking the borrow from 5 to 6, means tens to 1s. So 5 will become 4 here. Why? Because one number we are giving the borrow to other place now here, and one number giving nothing but 10 numbers giving here. Places are changing now children. So 10 numbers and the existing number is 6. 10 and 6, it will be 16. Now here it is 16 and here it is 4. Now 16 minus 9. I can subtract here now. Now I can subtract from 16 minus 9, or else I can move from 9 to 16. Okay. So when I am moving from 9 to 16, how many numbers are required here? 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See, this many numbers are required. This many means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I require 7 numbers to move from 9 to 16. Or else when I am subtracting 16 minus 9 also, I get 7 only. Now 4 minus 6. Is it possible children 4 minus 6? No. Why? Because 4 is smaller than the 6. So it is not possible. Here we require the borrow from before place, nothing but from hundreds. See, I am taking the borrow from hundreds. So when I am giving the borrow from hundreds, so hundreds place will be before digit children, means 7 will be 6. Now 10 numbers I am giving to tens. Okay. Hundreds to tens, when I am moving one number, nothing but it will be 10 tens. Already I told you in the previous videos also. So one number giving means 10 numbers, and existing 4 numbers, it will be 14 children. So 4 will become 14 and the 7 will become 6. Now I can subtract from 14 minus 6, or else I can move from 6 to 14. When I am moving from 6 to 14, how many numbers are required here? So 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I required here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers I required to move from 6 to 14. So 8 I am getting here. Now coming to the hundreds place here. 6 minus 3. I can subtract 6 minus 3 children. Okay. So why? Because 6 is bigger than 3. I can subtract directly. There we need. Here we no need any borrows. 6 minus 3. In two ways you can subtract here. 6 opening. In that 3 closing. 1, 2, 3. Like this also you can do. So how many will be left? 1, 2, 3. Or else you can move from 3 to 6 also. When I am moving from 3 to 6, 3 after 4, 5, 6. I am getting 3 children. So 3 in the hundreds place. So how many students are coming by bus here? 387 students are coming by bus. Yes, children. Let's solve this word problem, children. Word sum. Here, there were 7,000 bags of rice in Suresh's shop on Monday. By Sunday, 1,638 bags were left. How many bags did he sell during the week? Okay, means on Monday these many bags were there, 7,000 bags were there in his shop, and coming the next Sunday these many bags were left. Okay, so how many bags did he sell during the week? Okay, from Monday to next Sunday, how many bags he sold, we need to find, children. Okay, and left bags here, I'll say some clues, children, for subtraction in the word problems. See, if in the statements or if in the question here left is there, means that type of problems you need to do subtractions, children, here. Now, here left is there, so you need to do subtraction of this problem here. Come on, let's write first solution here, step by here. Number of bags in Suresh shop on Monday. So on Monday, how many bags were there first? See, 7,000 bags were there on Monday. Now, number of bags. Next, what you can write here? Number of bags left on by Sunday. Left by Sunday, by next Sunday. So how many bags were left by next Sunday here? 1,638. Means what it is meaning here? The remaining bags all he sold, it seems sold. So we need to find how many he sold. So what you can write the last step here, answer step here. Number of bags he sold during the week. Number of bags he sold during the week. This will be the answer step, children. Come on, let's find subtraction here. Already you know here many subtractions we did in the previous videos. Now ones column we are subtracting here. So ones column we have the 0, children, okay? And so we need to take the borrow from before place. But here also we have 0 in the before place also. So we are going to hundreds place. Hundreds place also we have 0, children. So we are taking the borrow from thousands. 1,000 to directly we can't take the borrow to one select. So step by step we are taking it. So from 1,000 to hundreds we are taking. When I am giving the borrow to thousands to 100, 1,000 digit will become the before. Nothing but 7 will become the before number 6. Now here 1,000 to 100 if I am giving the borrow, already I told you it means 10 we are giving the borrow. So 10 and existing 0, 10 and existing 0 is 10 itself, okay? Again I am taking the borrow from this to this. So this 10, hundreds place 10 will become the 9, and in the tens place it will become the 10 again. Why? Because 0 it is there, no? So again I require the borrow in the ones, children. So I am taking again from tens to ones. So this will become the 9 and this will become the 10. Now in the ones place we have 10, and here in the tens place 9 we have. In the hundreds also we have 9. And in the thousands we have 6. Now I can subtract. So here in the ones 10 over here, 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. How you can subtract the 10 minus 8, children? By opening finger and by closing also you can do, or by moving from down to up also we can do. Now I am moving from down to up, okay? Means from 8 to 10 I am moving. So to move from 8 to 10, how many I require? Numbers 8 after 9, 10. I require 2 more numbers. So I am writing here 2 as the answer in the ones place. Now let's subtract the tens digit here. 9 minus 3. I can subtract by opening 9 by closing 3, or else I can move here from 3 to 9 also. From 3 to 9 if I move here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many I opened here? 6 I opened. So here will be 6. Now 9 minus 6. I can subtract by opening the fingers, by opening 9 and closing 6, or else I can subtract by moving 6 to 9. So 6 to 9 if I am moving here, 7, 8, 9. So 3 numbers here. So I am writing here 3. Now 6 to 1. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 means I can move from 1 to 6. 1 to 6 means how many I required here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I required 5 numbers here. So I am writing here 5 in thousands place. So the answer will be 5362. Means how many bags he sold during the week? 5362 bags he sold during the week. Yes, children. I hope you understood the word problems, word sums of subtractions. I gave worksheet of the subtraction problems. Have a look here. Now first question. There are 27 students in a class. 16 are girls. How many are boys? 27 students are there in a class, children. In that 16 are girls are there. It means the remaining will be the boys only, no? So you need to find the remaining number which is boys. Okay. Now then you have to do your subtraction. Coming to second problem, a fruit seller had 150 apples. He has total 150 apples here. He sold 129 apples in 2 days. Within 2 days, this 129 apples he sold. So what you need to find? How many apples left with him after 2 days? Means after selling these many fruits, these many apples, how many will be the left after 2 days? You need to find. Means remaining number, children, nothing but subtraction. Third one you see. In a garden, there are 4,500 red and yellow roses. Okay. Together we have red and yellow roses are 4,500, and in that if there are 2,678 yellow roses, so how many red roses are there? Means these many yellow roses are there, means how many will be the red roses? Means remaining number you need to find. Nothing but this all problems are related to subtractions, children. And here once you have a look here, first problem, second problem. Okay, first problem, second problem, 2 problems first and second class children will do. Okay, it means for first and second class children only 2 problems as a homework, and coming to third class, first, second and also third, means 3 problems you need to do third class children. Okay, thank you children.